Hi, and welcome to Miss Alley Cat DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you this haul that I got from Michael's and from Dollar Tree. It's not a huge haul, but together I think I got a lot of cool items, so stick around and let me show you what I got. So starting with Dollar Tree, I got a bag of stuff. Let me show you. Just start pulling the stuff out. I got this. It's technically a table runner. It's this really pretty Christmassy. It's kind of super thin, but it's pretty nice for $1. You get 12 inches by 72 inches, so I'm not going to use this as a table runner. I'm probably going to use the material for anything from cards to some DIYs that I have in my head. Hopefully those will work out, but I thought this was a pretty good deal for $1, and it's a really pretty color. You can see the pattern on there. Alright, so next thing that I got from Dollar Tree, I got this packet of 3 headbands. I don't wear a lot of headbands, but I want to make some Christmas headbands that I can wear at my work, so that I can do like a Santa one and maybe an elf one, and for $1 you get 3 of them. That's a pretty good deal. And then I got another one of these tree skirts, just because it is such pretty material. I've already cut into my other one. If you've seen my DIY cat Christmas wreath, I use this to make a Santa hat. So anyway, I just really love this tree skirt, so I had to get another one. I got another packet of these 10 LED lights, as shown here. I think they're really bright and I love these, and the cool thing about these is that you can take these off. So I did kind of mess around with the placing of the bulbs, so you can do that as well. I also got the snowflakes, and these are quite bright and very pretty as well. They kind of look purple on the screen, but they're a very bright blue. Unrelated, from Dollar Tree, I also got this washi tape that's Minions, just because I mean, I love the Minions. What else do I have to say about that? It's super cute. So I got that. That is all from Dollar Tree. And then for Michael's, I just got a couple of things. I did get 40% off on one of my items. I got this really cute box. It's normally $5. It's $2.50 right now. $2.50. All of their boxes like this are, I always see these and I go, oh my gosh, I should get one. And I'm like, nah. And then of course, when I decide that I want it, it's not on sale. So I love peppermint. So I decided to get this for all of my Christmas tags that I make. Then I also got this really pretty red material. I think this is what my 40% off coupon went towards, because this itself was like $10, but my whole purchase came out to 9 something. So and she gave me like another 25% off. Anyway, check out Michael's. They got some sales like usual. This is a yard, and it's just this really pretty Christmassy velvet material. And then I got some different felts for a few different projects. Like I said, I want to make some Christmas headbands so I can wear them to work in the month of December. So I got a green one and a red one and a white one and this kind of elfy green color. They're like 49 cents at Michael's, so that's a pretty darn good deal. And that is my whole entire haul. I know it's not like a ton of stuff, but I'm happy with the purchases that I made, and I hope you enjoyed this little haul. Please have a wonderfully perfect day. Don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.